Welcome back. Did you know the USPS processes over 400 million pieces of mail every single day? That is a staggering amount of paper. But are you ready to completely transform how you manage your share of it? Today on The Explainer, we're bringing you the absolute ultimate guide to mastering USPS Informed Delivery. We've combed through all the official documentation to bring you a crystal clear, step-by-step breakdown of exactly how to sign up for and maximize this incredibly powerful, entirely free service. You know that feeling when you rush home expecting a highly anticipated package, only to open up an empty mailbox? Or maybe you're a frequent traveler and you're constantly worrying about mail theft while you're out of town. It's a huge frustration for so many of us. But what if you could securely see a digital preview of your mail and track your packages right from your phone long before the mail carrier even pulls up to your curb? That's the exact convenience USPS Informed Delivery offers. And today, we're going to get you fully set up.
Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we'll cover exactly why you should use this service. Then, a foolproof, step-by-step sign-up guide, how to verify your identity, troubleshooting some common issues, maximizing your dashboard app, and we'll wrap up with some final tips and disclaimers.
Section 1.
Why use informed delivery?
So what's actually in it for busy professionals, frequent travelers, or honestly anyone who just wants to avoid walking to the mailbox in the freezing rain for a stack of junk mail? Well, the perks are pretty fantastic. First off, this service is 100% free for eligible residential consumers and personal P.O. Box users. Once you're in, you get this morning Daily Digest email. It works like this. As your mail travels through the USPS network, high-speed sorting machines literally snap a picture of the front of your letter-sized mail. You then get those grayscale images sent right to you, plus status updates for your packages. Ultimately, knowing exactly what's supposed to arrive vastly improves your personal security and goes a long way in deterring mail theft.
Moving right along to Section 2, Step-by-Step Sign-Up Guide.
We're going to keep this completely jargon-free. Here's the high-level game plan. You'll start by visiting informeddelivery.usps.com. From there, you'll create a personal account, verify that your specific address is eligible, and pop in your contact info. And a quick pro tip on Step 4, make absolutely sure the email address you use is the one you check every single morning because that's where your Daily Digest notifications are going to be sent.
Now, what's really interesting about this process is just how straightforward it is from the jump. When you land on the official portal, you're just looking for that prominent Sign Up for Free button to get off the starting line. If you already happen to have a USPS account, you can just sign in. But assuming you're starting fresh, you'll want to hit Create Account. The system will have you pick a unique username, and it'll actually recommend some available ones if your favorite is taken. Then just choose a secure password and set up 2 quick security questions.
Next up is checking your address eligibility. You'll punch in your street address, city, state, and zip code. Now, pay super close attention here if you live in a dense area like an apartment or a condo building. If the information you provide matches multiple options, you must select the correct standardized address from their system-generated list. This ensures accurate delivery point coding. It's basically how the post office knows exactly which mail belongs to your specific unit and not your neighbor's.
Section 3. Verifying your identity.
And this brilliantly illustrates the most crucial phase. The USPS takes security incredibly seriously to ensure absolutely no one but you can view your mail. So you'll reach a fork in the road where you have 2 primary identity-proofing options: verify online right then and there, or request an invitation code by mail.
Let's contrast these two. Option A, the mobile phone verification, is definitely the fastest. You just provide a domestic U.S. mobile number, the system shoots you a quick, one-time numeric passcode via text, you plug it in, and boom, you're good to go. Option B is for anyone who prefers not to use a phone. You can request an invitation code by mail. USPS will literally send a physical welcome letter to your current address with a unique code inside. When it arrives a few days later, you just log back in and type it in.
If you do choose the mobile phone route, you'll see a screen asking for your number, right next to a pretty large Privacy Act statement. Now, in today's digital age, it is completely normal to be cautious about handing over your phone number. So let's look closely at what they're actually promising here.
The policy explicitly says we do not disclose your information to third parties without your consent. Your information will be used to verify your identity and prevent fraud. This is a massive reassurance loop. Providing your phone number is strictly for identity proofing. It's totally voluntary, and it is absolutely not being sold to marketers.
Section 4. Troubleshooting common issues.
Sometimes things just don't go perfectly on the first try. So the crucial point is knowing how to navigate the hiccups. First,
What if your address says not eligible? Like we mentioned earlier, your mailbox has to be uniquely coded. In some high-density apartments, the boxes just aren't uniquely coded yet, which means the system can't separate your mail images from your neighbors. If that happens, you just have to check back later. Second, what if online verification fails? You can actually visit a local post office for in-person identity proofing, as long as there's a location within 50 miles of you. And finally, missing an image? Let's say a magazine arrives, but it wasn't in your morning email. That's totally normal. Things like catalogs and magazines aren't scanned by the automated equipment, so they won't show up in your daily preview.
Section 5. Maximizing your dashboard app.
Now, those daily emails are great, but the standalone Informed Delivery mobile app is a total powerhouse. It offers an intuitive, fast, and secure sign-in. You can set up push notifications so you get an instant ping on your phone when a package is delivered. Within the app, you can view your incoming mail history for a full 7-day period. And for packages, you can track them seamlessly for up to 15 days. It literally puts complete control of your mailbox right in the palm of your hand, making it incredibly easy to integrate your expected deliveries right into your digital calendar.
Section 6. Final tips and disclaimers.
Just a quick heads up, the information presented in this explainer is accurate as of July 12, 2026. Individual sign-up experiences might vary slightly depending on your specific address type, and this isn't a substitute for professional advice. You should always check the USPS terms and conditions directly, because processes can always evolve.
And that brings us to the end of our explainer. You now have a complete, clear path to getting started. So, are you ready to secure your mailbox, deter theft, and never be left wondering what's arriving in today's mail? We highly encourage you to go to the USPS website right now and take 5 minutes to sign up for this incredible free tool. It really makes you wonder though, as our physical mail becomes entirely digitized on our screens, how long will it be before the traditional metal mailbox disappears from our curbs entirely? Something to think about. Thanks for joining us today on The Explainer, and we'll see you next time.